Hello friends, today I am going to explain you that how to make how to use the scanner class for adding two numbers. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, so first of all, you need for using the scanner class, as we all know, we have to first import a package which is not available in Java. So first of all, we will write as import java.util dot asterisk and this semicolon. Then I will use public class, and as my name suggests, it's adding, and then I will use a semicolon, public static void main. I'm extremely sorry, static void main string args. Okay, so now I will use another semicolon here. Now I explain you how to make this program. Okay, so this program is super easy and you will like it. Okay, so this program I have made to add these two numbers. Okay, so first of all I will introduce the scanner class in this object, which is scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in, and then I would declare the variables which I'm going to use, which are a, b and c. You can use any kind of variables which you want as of your choice. I am using here abc. You can choose any of the variables. Okay, now I will print system.out.println. Please enter your first number. Okay, so this will come first of all, and as you know that first of all on the print screen it will print this screen. Okay, so now after this first of all in the print screen it will print this, and please enter your first number, and then it will print. Then after, when the user will enter a value in it, I would store the value in the variable a as sc.next int, like this. And I have used this word sc because I have declared this sc object in here. After this, if I write here int, then I would write here int. Okay, so not int, sorry, I'm extremely sorry, I would write here in, so it will take it in. However, I am familiar with using sc, so I will be using sc in my programs, or you can use in also if you're familiar with that. Okay, so now I would ask the user to enter the second value also, because as the program is being made to take the sum of two numbers, so to take the sum of the two numbers, so I will be needing two numbers to take the sum. So I'll be writing, please enter the second number. Okay, and now b equals to sc.next int, like this. And then I would be then after this, as you can see, the first value or the first number which was entered by the user was stored in the variable a, and the second number which was given by the user was stored in the variable b. And as the program suggests, I have to add the two numbers, so I will another take a variable c, which will store a plus b, again an asterisk, and then I will extremely sorry, and as you can see this is made. Now I will be using again the system.out.println the sum of the two numbers is this thing plus c. I hope that you would be knowing this function, or I can explain it. First of all, when you use a plus sign before a variable, then it merges with this semicolon, so the printing will be the sum of the two numbers is, and this value of c will be printed, which is a plus b. Okay, so now I will close the program like this, and now I'll try to compile, and as you can see there are no syntax errors in here. I'll be closing this thing, and then I would be opening my BlueJ and void main string args. Now as you can see in here, this is my terminal window. Okay, so I would enter my first number, which I would take as 10, and this my second number is also, I can take as 20. So the sum of the two numbers is 30. So as you can see, this program is now made, and if you want to if you want the whole program as a PDF, it is in the description below, and if you want in text, it is also in the description below. The platform on which I am making this program is BlueJ, and BlueJ is a very nice Java programming platform on which you can make Java programs and Java scripts. It's super easy and nice. Okay guys, so let's make the next video.